Hey guys, this is Mr. McKee with CTI 120. I wanted to go ahead and go over the packet tracer configure initial router settings. Some people had questions on it, and hang on one second, my phone's ringing. Okay, so the packet tracer is 8.5.2.4. Alright, first thing we want to do, go under part 1, establish a console connection to R1, which we have PCA, we have R1. Console cable's right here. Light blue cable, click on PCA. We're going to use an RS-232 cable. Go over to R1, click on that, click on console. That establishes our console connection. Okay. So let's see, go to PCA, go to desktop, go to terminal. Alright. Default settings for the terminal is fine. Alright, when you get down here, see how the cursor's at the bottom of the console terminal. Alright, hit enter. Alright, so you get the router interface. Alright, and let me follow this down. Alright, enter privileged exec mode, which that's enable. Alright, type in the show run command, show running, and I can tab over show running config, enter. Alright, here's my default configuration, hostname router. There's all my interfaces. Scroll down, no passwords are set up. Alright, and that's it. Pretty straightforward. Okay, then you can answer the questions. The router's host name, well, we know that. It's right there. Alright. How many fast Ethernet interfaces and gigabit Ethernet interfaces? Well, we can go down here. There's one interface for gigabit. There's two interfaces. These are serials, so don't worry about those interfaces. And fast Ethernet is right there. Alright. How many serial interfaces? Well, they're right there. Okay, range of values shown for the VTY lines. That's right there. Alright. So let's see. Display the current contents of non-volatile RAM, which shows startup. I like doing tab. Alright. Startup config is not present because we haven't saved it yet. Alright. So this config is only in RAM. Alright. It's not been saved, so this file is not present yet. Alright, so configure initial settings on R1. And learning a lot of these commands is just from doing it a whole bunch. Alright, so we're in privileged config mode. We're going to go to config terminal, config T. Alright, host name, and we're starting right here. Configure R1 as the host name. Host name is going to be R1. Alright. Configure let me in the console password and enable login. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright, line console 0. Alright, password let me in. Alright. Enable login. Alright, so that's done. Configure it's a secret as the encrypted privilege exec password. Alright, so we're going to do actually let's go back. Let's exit out of that. Enable password. Oops. Enable secret. It's a secret. Just make sure I spelled that right. It's a secret. Okay. Alright, so encrypt all plain text passwords. Serve as password encryption. Everything's encrypted now. Let's see what else we got. Alright, configure a message of the day banner that warns against unauthorized access. A simple banner can be unauthorized access strictly prohibited. Alright, so let's do banner MOTD, which is message of the day. Always do the hashtags or the pound signs. Okay. Strictly prohibited. Alright, hashtag on the end, hit enter. Alright. Verify initial settings by viewing the configuration. We gotta end this. Actually, let's exit out of that. Okay. Exit out of that. Alright, we'll check our passwords. The first password is Alright, let me in, and enable is it's a really? Alright. It's a RT. Alright, it's a secret. Alright, so we're in privilege config. Alright. Why should every router have a message of the day banner? You guys should be able to answer that. Alright, if not prompted for a password, what console line command did you forget to configure? Right, you forget to put the login on there. Alright, if you configure any more passwords on the router, are they displayed in the configuration file as plain text or encrypted form? Well, since you serve as password encryption, they should be encrypted. Alright, so if I do a show run up here, there's your privilege exec password. Tab down. Alright. Console password is encrypted. Can't tell what it is. Alright, cool. There's the banner message of the day. Okay, perfect. Let's see. Save the configuration file or VRAM. Which command did you enter to save the configuration of VRAM? Well, that's copy running config to start config. And what is the shortest unambiguous version of this command? Well, you can do copy R space S. That's copy running config to start config. Hit enter. Destination file name, it's going to be the stock one. Hit enter. Alright, that's already been saved. Alright, let's see. Additional bonus, save the startup config to flash. We can do that. And that's copy start config to the flash. I'll just kind of like skip through that a little bit. Y'all can look at that if you want. But I just want to make sure I've got 75 out of 75, which I do. If not, you can go in here and check the results, see what's wrong. That's pretty straightforward. Alright, mostly people have the issue if you come in here, especially if you've done, say, the Net 125 class, make sure you guys connect a console. Don't connect like a straight through cable or a crossover cable or anything like that. You're just consoling into it. Say if you didn't have any kind of networking set up, or you didn't know the IP address of that router interface, you could connect to it with a console cable. Alright, do that quite frequently myself. Alright, thanks for watching. Good luck with everybody on this assignment.